this is the magnolia flowers. Hi. So now we will go to the longest bridge in Bali, the longest one. But now we will show you where it is and how long it is. We will see that.
And meanwhile, check the view. It's very nice over here, right?
Yeah. So beautiful. So we use this flower, these magnolia flowers, to make offerings.
We are arriving to the longest bridge, and let's have a ride first and let's see how it looks like.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes.
Alright, so we are on the biggest bridge in Bali, and it's 72-meter high, and this is the highest bridge in Bali. Also the longest one, except the Tol Mandara, but Tol Mandara is like a kind of motorway, but this is the proper bridge.
You know, this bridge is connected to regions like Badung regions and Bangli regions. Yeah.
And it's very high.
Yeah. Oh, so high.
And it's very beautiful view, by the way.
And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
This bridge is actually also famous. Unfortunately, it's nothing to be proud of it, and it's quite sad, but it's very famous place to make a suicide because of the height. 72 meters down, and you jump just straight forward to the jungle, so it's like, you know.
Picnic.
Check this out, guys. This is the papaya tree forest. So nice.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.